Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in last video we discussed about the data type and the boolean, which was a very important topic related to your interview and everything and your university also. And today's video we will discuss about the character. Okay, so let's start this one and just take the basic overview if you are first on this channel, so you will understand. If you are already watched, and then also you can understand very easily. So let's just take a basic overview of the last we discussed about this type of these are the data type we discussed last time, like byte, short, int, long, length, and we discussed they all have that separate length value, and they all have separate type variable value. Okay, so like in string we are passing text type in this way. In character we are passing single char. Okay, same like boolean has a result only true or false. Same like double, float, they are same, but they have the different length, that's why they are called float and double. And while passing the dot we are using the float and double, and for float we are writing f, double we are writing d. Same as for byte, short, int, long, they all have the length difference. Okay, and we are passing in for long we are passing l, and for byte, short, int we are passing in this way, and it's depend how much the length. Okay, so that's all for last video, and here is the basic chart available. You can take the screenshot for understanding purpose, and that's all for last video. Okay, and let's come to the today's topic. In today's topic we are discussing about the character. Okay, so last time we discussed that in character we can pass single char value, like if I am passing n here, it will show the error to us. Okay, so just remove it. Same as this will print if I am writing this my character 1 and first and my char value, so it will print the value of the year. Okay, same as for the 17. What is 70 here? You can see it's looking like integer type. Okay, and here you can see this is a mix of integer and some symbols, and you can see the like character and everything. Okay, so means mix of the symbol, string, and character. So what is these things? Let's discuss. So this is the this one, let's discuss about this. Then this is the ASCII value of the character f. We'll discuss these things also. And this is the Unicode hexadecimal value for integer. So before starting, let's discuss this. What are these things for understanding purpose? So in technically you will get understand what are these things. Okay, so ASCII is a in full okay, if its full form is a American Standard Code for the international interchange. Okay, and this is a standard data encoding format for electronic communication between the computers. Whenever you belong, means you will get something opportunity to work in the electronic communication, you will find these codes there also. Okay, like basically this is the meaning, like for every integer value there is a character value. Okay, and same like this also for Unicode. Let's directly understand this. So for every Unicode value, okay, there is a particular char value. Okay, so you can see it here, like means this is the basic and standard coding for writing every unique values. Okay, and these are the hexadecimal, because in hexa means 6. Okay, penta means 5, hexa means 6. Okay, same as it will go for deca and many more. If you remember for childhood, we learn these things. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the hexa, and you can write hello in this way. This is the code for hello. Okay, you can say Unicode for hello. Okay, this way. So let's understand about the Unicode also. Unicode is an international character encoding standard that provide a unique number for every character across the language and script. Okay, making almost all the character accessible across the platform, program, and devices. So you can find it here, like for every character a unique number. Okay, and then run it and see the value. Okay, so save it and run this one. You can find something different. So you can see it here. For first one we got the my character a value is a. Okay, and for second we pass 70 here, and for 70 we called f. Same like you can change the number here, like value, and you can just understand by yourself also. So I have written here 70. If I'll write something else, it will print something else to me. Okay, same as for this code also, U044 00044 Unicode, we are getting here D. Okay, and for this code you can see it here, I have just printed one letter like hello. Okay, so you can see a string hello is here, and you can see the value like my char 1, my char 2, my char 3, like 5, and everyone has a different value, like 48, 65, 60. So you can see it here, like for every character. Okay, there is a different Unicode, okay, and you can write those code and you can print the a particular spelling or particular number or string, okay. So that's all for today's video, and if you want to just check change something else and see here what are the things changing, okay. So I'm writing here 4 and randomly I'm writing, no need to just mark up this thing and remember, just you can find these things on Google also, just for understanding purpose, that's all. So just understand these things and okay, that's enough. Run Java application. I have changes something and see the so this is I changes something and HDLLO, and for C we are writing like U0043, and for G 71 is for G and A for A, okay. So that's all for today's video, and see you in next video. For take care, bye bye.